This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network and power. Make sure your Quest 2 and the TV or Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network and the TV input is ready. Open the Oculus mobile app on your phone and sign in. The app finds your headset. Once the app shows the headset icon, tap it to begin. You do this because the app coordinates the cast permission and device discovery. Without that link, the headset can't send video to the TV. Next, you initiate the cast. Inside the headset, press the Oculus button, choose Share, then Cast, and select your target device. Alternatively, from the Oculus mobile app, tap the cast icon, choose your Quest 2, then pick the TV or Chromecast as the destination. Make sure to confirm the cast prompt inside the headset when it appears. This approval gives the headset permission to stream. You do this because either interface can start cast. Finally, let the cast initialize for a few seconds, and you should see the headset view on TV. You can control volume from the TV or the Oculus menu. Make sure the headset stays awake. If you experience lag, move devices nearer the router or switch to a 5 GHz network for lower latency. If casting fails, restart the headset, phone, and Chromecast, then recheck that all devices share the same Wi-Fi. That simple restart often resolves discovery and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.